So for number 11, remember that brackets are like those pockets. So these tax rates are brackets, or we can think of them as pockets. And you're going to put only your first $11,000 in the 10% pocket. And then for the dollars you earned from the $11,001 to the $44,725, those dollars, which is about 34 grand, it's going to go in the 12% pocket. So whatever you made, for example, if you were Hercules and you made 210 grand, we're going to take 11,000 of that and tuck it in this pocket. And then we can take these dollars, which is 33,724 from Hercules' salary, and stuff them in the 12% pocket. Now in the 22% pocket, we can stuff, let's see, all the dollars from 44,726 up to 95,375. So that's about 50,000, maybe 51,000-ish. $50,629. Those are the dollars between 44,726 and 95,375. All right, so we've got those pockets filled with as many dollars as these limits tell us we can put in. Now, if you're in the 24% bracket, that means you've made more money than what you see in these pockets. Let's just say this is 50,000, 83,000, 84,000, 94, 95,000. So if you made more than 95,000, let's say you made 100,000. Well, these pockets are full. We can only put in these dollars. So if you made more, then it's going to have to go into this pocket. So this is what we mean by saying you're in the 24% bracket. We mean when you put these dollar amounts into the pockets, how far do you get? You get to the 24% bracket. Now that means you made less than $95,000. Because as soon as you go over the $95,375 mark, then you're into the 24% bracket or beyond. So what does it mean if you say you're in the 24% bracket? It means of all the dollars you earned, they go in these pockets, and this bracket that you say you're in is the highest tax rate bracket that some of your dollars went into. Some of your dollars are getting taxed at the rate of 24% at the highest. All the other dollars in the other pockets are getting taxed less, but 24% is the highest tax rate you're paying for some of your dollars. That's what it means to say you're in the 24% bracket. All right, let's go ahead for Hercules and find out which tax bracket they're in. They made $210,000, so up to 95, 182. So $210,000 falls between 182 and 101. So while a lot of the money is going to go in these earlier pockets, which are the 10% pocket, the 12% pocket, etc., some of the dollars are going to make it into the 32% pocket. So Hercules, what tax bracket are they in? They're in the 32% tax bracket because their highest dollar made it into the 32% bracket. And that's it for number 11 and number 13.